Hi, we all need advice from time to time. Sometimes we have decisions to make, but our emotions have interrupted the whole process. Sometimes we are getting uninvited advice. Sometimes we're advised by people who don't have the full context of the situation we are in. Some advisors are naysayers. A naysayer is someone who means well and wants the best for us, but they really have no idea about the subject we need advice on. A naysayer is normally a courageless person who doesn't believe in you. Then there are haters. Haters are people who would do anything to destroy us if given a chance. The scary thing is that naysayers and haters do and say many similar things. So, how do we take advice? And what do we look for when taking advice? Should we even take advice? Yes, we should take advice. Taking advice from someone who fits the criterion I will mention shortly means we escape from our own emotions. Here are the 3 qualities to look for before taking advice. You don't necessarily have to tell the person you are checking for the 3 qualities that you are checking them, of course. The 3 questions are: 1. Does this person sincerely want the best for me? 2. Is this person God-conscious? 3. Does this person know about the subject I need advice on? If the answer is yes to all the 3 questions, then go ahead and take advice. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel and click like on the video. See you soon.